It activates the same reward center in your brain as cocaine. It is the most socially accepted addiction on Earth. For decades, you've been told it's just energy. But biologically, it is a hijack.
This is Lisa. She consumes 75 grams of added sugar a day. That's 3 times the recommended limit.
Right now, her blood is a syrup of inflammation. Her insulin is screaming, and she is about to stop. Cold turkey.
Here is the exact timeline of what happens to her body over the next 14 days.
Day 1 to 3, welcome to the crash. The first thing Lisa feels isn't health, it's anger.
Her brain is experiencing a dopamine deficit. It has lost its primary fuel source.
She feels brain fog, headaches, and intense cravings. This is known as the sugar flu. Her body is screaming. It is screaming for glucose, but it hasn't learned to burn fat yet.
She is in metabolic limbo.
But deep inside, a miracle begins. Her pancreas finally stops overproducing insulin.
Day 4. Lisa wakes up and notices something strange.
Her face is thinner. Her belly is flatter. She hasn't lost fat yet. She lost water.
Sugar forces the body to hoard fluid and sodium.
As insulin drops, the kidneys release the water. The bloating vanishes. And the inflammation in her arteries finally begins to cool down. Her energy stabilizes. No more afternoon crashes.
And at night, she enters deep REM sleep for the first time.
Day 8. The metabolic switch is flipped. Sugar reserves are empty. The body switches to Plan B.
It begins burning its own body fat for fuel.
Just sharp, laser focus.
But the most critical repair is here. The liver sheds its yellow, fatty streaks. The dangerous visceral fat surrounding her organs is finally burning off.
Day 14. Without sugar binding to collagen, the aging process reverses.
Her acne retreats, and her skin begins to glow. She didn't just lose weight. She reset her chemical baseline.
She is finally free from the craving.
The damage is permanent unless you stop.
Subscribe to Biologic.